We are incredibly appreciative of the commitment from the governor, not only for the first year of funding, but also for the second year. And what that funding does is it doesn't just allow the city to roll out the first step of universal child care for 2-year-olds, free 2K across the city, 2,000 seats this year. It allows us to also ramp up to 12,000 seats next year and make the fixes necessary for 3K. Because as we've heard, there have been a number of parents who've long been concerned about the city's ability to meet demand across the city by providing seats closer to home. And the governor, in the $1.2 billion that she committed to the city, more than $100 million is allocated to those fixes. And as the governor said today, the state is committed to this as something we deliver to New Yorkers, and I'm incredibly thankful for that. And I have to also say that we have long known that childcare is a priority for the governor. It's a priority for parents here in our city, and now it's a priority in what we're delivering.